gonna happen, and it did happen, okay? You just missed an intense fight. I shot 3 or 4 arrows, which is kind of sad because arrows are fucking ridiculous to make, 'cause I only have 4 feathers left. But we did just get 4 pieces of general meat, a deer skin. This is great. The hype is real. I got a bird on my fucking hand, like, what the literal crap. Oh, there's a feather falling. Maybe it wasn't falling up there. I don't know. My Ankh-bot just crashed on me, so we're gonna try getting that back up. Everything's going down. It's a crazy world. I don't know why it does it. I don't care why it does it. We're here. We're gonna do it. Hopefully everybody's still here watching. Oh, no, we don't want to use that again. Let me pick up my axe. Oh no. Oh no. I think I lost you. I don't know if I lost you guys, but if I did, if I didn't, hit me up in that chat, because I'm kind of scared that I just lost all my viewers in one shot. That's fucking terrible. If I just did. I don't know. I think I did. Oh gosh. We still live though. Pusses here. I had to refresh. Here, same. Okay, good. Got really scared. I don't know why it's crashing. Like, I think it has to do with that Ankh-bot working and like that fucking up, like, kind of. So I don't know. I'm kind of mad that I lost a few viewers there. We lost 5, I believe. You missed my deer shooting skills. Like, I got the deer. I used three arrows. I missed 1. Got 2 into it. Little depressing, but we're also stopping the stream very soon. Probably in the next 15 minutes we'll go to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just gotta go shower and get ready for shit, but we're definitely gonna be playing this in the future as well. Fun thing, people come and watch, you know. Welcome back. So sad. I don't know where I'm going now. I got so lost when I was running after that deer. I think we're going downhill towards the thing. What's up, Soph? Good to see you back. Got that slip and slide. Oh, right there. Collection. 2 seeds. Always gotta get that seed hype up. Well, hey, hit me up if you want to get down in Funky Town, some Red Orchestra. Yeah, dude. Just even if you start playing, like, just be like, yo, Sean, you up for some Red Orc? And I'll be like, yeah. And I'll be like, yo, let me get my guys, and we'll go stream, get some people up in this, you know, good times. Just the cannibals as of right now is what I know of. BRB dog is messing with my hair straightener. Oh damn! Go fucking fix that so you don't get electrocuted. Electrocuted dog is not good unless you're on the Asian variety of dog. And this is very racist, so I apologize, but I had to say it. Gotta get them booze. Those boozlets. The next forest stream is very debatable of when it will happen. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I can't fucking swing my axe. I'm sorry, Mr. Turtle. We're gonna try bow hunting the turtle. Got him. Turtle shell. Oh, it's general meat. Okay. Oh, I missed. How did I miss? Can I pick? Oh, I can pick up my arrows that I messed up on. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, that will definitely be cool. Sophie, if you just want to, like, I don't know, there's a way, like, when you hit the follow button to have it alert you, just do that. That's the only suggestion I really have, because I really don't have a set time of when I stream and all that, so it's kind of hard to say when my next specific stream is going to be about it, so it's a difficult thing. Okay, we're going to run up this way and know a little bit more of this area than usual. There's a big tree up at the end of that place. There's on the other side there's more beachfront, which is what I'm going to go towards right now. Oh damn, we got a person's little tent here. Just difficult. Okay, we're doing it. Somebody said I can fucking dry him on a drying rack. We're gonna cut the fucking legs off of this. Nope. Fuck you, I don't want the body, I want the legs. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. I hear them. I hear them fucking screaming. They're right down there. Oh, shit. Holy shit. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Fuck this body. I don't want this body. I want the arm. Like, oh my god. Where the fuck did they... Okay, they're going that way. I'm just gonna let them be. I'm not gonna fuck with them. That's not the goal right now. See, I tried setting my camp up here, but it's like you don't get a... You get a good beachfront, like... Holy shit. If I fucking die because of that... Oh my god, I almost just shit bricks there. Fuck you, you stupid sharks. I did it originally, and then they just seemed like they came to this area so much. Like, this area and the other side, like, the other side is where I originally started playing. Like, that's where you first crashed. And, like, I was just like, nope, I ain't about that life. So I started going into the actual forest. Oh damn, we got an old pot. See, here's the scuba gear. If anybody was somebody was asking about that earlier. So that's where you can find it. There's some circuits over here as well. I don't even know. Air canister collector. Maybe that's something different, like air canisters, and then I got the breather, and then I got a canister collector. Like, I got all 3 pieces of it now. Like, that's what it is. I will do a forest stream in the future, but now I'm waiting for my laptop. Okay. The laptop issues. I know the feel. Die, Mr. Birdie. Yes! Feathers! Where art thou, feathers? Come back here. You just jump for the feathers! Jump for the feathers! I'm running into the fucking ocean for these feathers. Ah, that was too funny. And a swing. God, just randomly press E. Pick up feathers. So I don't know. Oh yeah, I have a shit ton of stuff, man. Like, this side of, like, that just got filled up really fast from this last adventure. This stuff is, like, all collected. It's getting intense. Like, I have way too much stuff, but it's like, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna make a snack rack soon for, like, the meats, and like a drying rack for these legs. I have some medicine racks that have to be built as well. But right now I'm on the fucking hype of getting that spear. That's like a big thing for me. There was usually one back on that tent. Need to start working on some storage stuff. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I just gotta do it. Eat some food. I have not seen what this is, so I'm quite interested. Hello and welcome to the stream. We're up to that 9 viewer hype. If you haven't been here before. My name's Sean Bod. We're streaming some Forest, having some fun. I go off in the next 10 minutes. So I'm hopefully gonna stream tomorrow. Maybe I have work though, so I might have work. Have to firm that up with the boss lady. This might be a terrible idea of climbing up here, but we're doing it for the lulz anyways. But yeah, if I don't have work, we'll definitely be streaming tomorrow. Okay, I don't like this at all. I need to get the fuck down. Alright, it's good to see you. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the support, the love. Come back any other time, man. Should say lady because you said hair straightener, so I apologize. Still going hard. I haven't played this the Forest in this long. Oh, here we go. The hype. The hype. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Got some more skin protection. My house is way the fuck over there. We're on the opposite side of where my house is. So, I'm gonna leave that lizard because he seems nice. And I don't want to use up all the resources on the island. Like, that's not the goal. Okay, so these I can't break into. That's something new I haven't seen. Sodas. Some coins. Some more circuits I can't carry. 7 more coins. Circuits I still can't carry. Can't carry any more booze. Like, this is depressing. Like, we're doing it. We're doing it right now. Fuck the police. Okay? Drinking booze on the fucking beach, but that makes my hunger bad. It's worth it, though. Now I can pick up one. Got rocks. I just want to check out what these shipping containers hold. Fucking nothing. Like, come on. If you're gonna put shipping containers in here, put something in them. Like, make something cool out of it. Like, I don't know. Just don't leave them empty. Oh, that grinds my gears pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. There's 2 more of these like weird ass structures up here. Alright, Puss, thank you for watching. Thanks for that follow. Do come back. We'll definitely have to do something soon, man. It's gonna be cool. Death Teddy, I ain't bad. You smell like poop, so get the fuck out. Thanks. Bay. Fucking people. You're gonna be rude, I'm gonna be rude right back to you. Welcome, welcome. Looks like we're just gonna make a loop around into my area. Back up to that 8 viewer hype. Hello and welcome. Well, see, Ted, the thing is, I'm a new guy. I didn't want to put a subscriber button on there yet. I'm new to the scene, like a month or 2 into it. I dropped a bunch of followers recently because somebody botted me, so I wanted to rebuild my structure up before I was like, oh, come subscribe to me. But there is a donation button. Hold on. Hoping that was just some fucked up thing I was finding there. There is a donation button for my what's it called? My PayPal. And if you want to also help out the St. Jude's Children's Hospital and Research, there is a donation button down below where you can click on there and it'll bring it to your website, their website, and you can help out there for that. And here we go. The fucking spear hype is real. Now we have a wooden spear. I'm liking it. And you know what? We're gonna use the wooden spear because I don't know where it is, but we're gonna find it. It's right there. Boom. And we're gonna look for some fish right in this pond. because I can't see any. I don't know if I'm blind or something, like, what's going on? I guess there's none right there. But Death, if you do want to hit that follow button, host me up, tell your friends, do whatever you want, watch the stream, have some fun, chat it up, questions, all are welcome. But rudeness is not, sir. So do remember that. Alright, the trek to my house through the middle of the woods in the middle of the night with deer. Here we go, deer hype, deer hype. Oh, we got it, we got it. Yeah! Deer down. We fucking got it, guys. Deer hype is real. See. Oh, maybe you have already subscribed to me. I'm guessing you're quoting the reference from our streams. I don't know what's going on with the Fallout 4, so it'll be interesting to see what does happen with that. It'd be something interesting to see if it does come out. I'm not a huge Fallout fan. I do like the concept of the game. I just can't get myself to sit down and play it because I didn't start from the beginning. I played from like New Vegas, and I only got into like a good hour of play time into that, and I don't know. It's just I'm just a busy person, if I have to say so. Lucky to have a day off today, so. This running though, I'm just trucking through the woods with a spear in my hand. I saw those, the villagers or the foresters, whatever you want to call them. They had their lights on, and I was like, oh, I am not having none of that. So we started running, and I just heard a little bit of their screeching in the distance. So see, this would be a prime area to like set up camp, like not in the middle of the woods, like with the moon setting on you. Like that's something cool that I didn't really put into thought when I started playing today. But we just trucking along. They're cold, wet. Build a fire. I ain't giving a damn. See, it's interesting. You can hear frogs in my audio and like in the actual game. But what's it called? But like you can't kill them, you can't see them, like kind of deal. Like that would be something cool that they use into the game and whatnot. And like I believe they used to have raccoons. I have not seen a raccoon this game. I'm a little depressed about that, so that needs to be fixed. Gonna warm myself up, jump into that fire, save the game a little bit, you know, build some stuff for you guys, and then we're probably gonna call it after that. Oh my. I almost fell off there. I just want to crouch. Press Z. Sleeping it up. Yes, sir. Saving it up. Yes, sir. Again. See, but the thing is, I don't want to waste the what's it called? I don't want to waste the air. I don't know full thing about like the air condenser and like how to actually get it and whatnot. Like I have a certain amount of air tanks and whatnot, so I'm not trying to waste it, but because I'm trying to be effectively using stuff with it. I don't know. I don't know why these two don't want to be planted. Okay, so drying rack, a animal like trap, and I think that was all. Oh, no, I don't want to light that up. And then we had something with somebody asked for skulls, so we're gonna use some skulls. We're gonna find out what I can do with them. I don't know. Also, boom, boom. Come on, combined. I can't combine those. What is this? There we go. Medicine. Okay, cool. I got medicine. Looking forward to the next forest stream, brother. Take it easy. I'm out. Beowulf, thank you, sir. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for joining us. Yeah, definitely look up for that. Look up for any of the other games that we're playing. The Cowcast next week. Everything's gonna be fun as fuck. Okay, drying rack. Oh, this is big. This is a little bigger. It's just a little biggins. We're gonna put this underneath. We'll rotate it this way, yeah. Put it up against the... right there. Got 9 sticks in my inventory to put up. Gonna go collect some more off the ground, off these trees. Gotta do what I gotta do. Actually added in these small coniferous trees that you can cut down for sticks as well. It's kind of interesting to see. Oh! I haven't seen the mushrooms recently. That's interesting too. I knew there used to be mushrooms, but I hadn't seen them on the ground or anything. So that's kind of a cool thing that I just found. Realized that they were there. So I'm gonna guess I take out one of these limbs and then I put it up. Oh damn! Oh damn, people, we're doing it! We're doing it right now! We're fucking making dried stuff from this. This is gross as fuck to me, but like I ain't giving a damn. Like, this is fucking great. There's a new source of food. Like, come at me, people. Fucking come at me. Drying racks can hold food and make the edibles without fire. Okay, so that's... Oh, no, go down, sorry. Didn't want to go up there. That's interesting to see. I'm going to actually see if it works for lizards as well. It does, so that is great, actually. Like, I'm hoping that I can dry them. It might take a little bit longer, but like they'll stay longer for me as well. I'm putting a lot of meat into this, so we're hoping it just doesn't disappear all on me when I log out or save next. Like, this is actually probably one of the best things they've added in the game, in my opinion. I'm gonna give them a thumbs up for that, you know. Oh, where's the little birdie? Come here, little birdie. Hello there. Hello, good boy. Shoo, shoo. Such a great thing too. I don't know why I like that, but I just do. So that's kind of cool to see. Oh damn! But you got deer skin on me. I think I put it down on my legs or something. We getting warm and toasty as fuck. Okay, so that's good to know. We won't lose it when I leave. Always a good thing. So we got a drying rack up. We got some water. We got our Ewok village defense system. We got our house going. We got some collection things and areas. We're gonna go collect some sticks right now. I gotta make a small trap. Then we're gonna make some small support systems, if I can. So hold on, I gotta just check when everything's happening. So we'll see how this all goes. Put my medicine down somewhere, so like, I don't know, if it does disappear, I'm gonna kinda get mad. I don't have a pouch actually, which is something I guess I should look into. Suggestion? Do you have a pouch? If you don't, 2 rabbit fur. 2 rabbit fur? We have 2 rabbit fur. Okay, so pouch. Tell me what a pouch does. What does said pouch do? Oh, I can collect berries. Damn! That's interesting, dude. This is great. See, now, I don't have to be... Oh, shit. Hopefully, none of that's dried. Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. We'll hold that thought. Now I can get berries and shit. But that's great. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. We are so screwed. I'm hungry. My food is all in that drying rack. Helps. Helps, please. Bad idea throwing all of it on there. Change my axe. That's pretty baller as fuck if I do say so myself. Saw this purple. That's a glitch in the game. Unless that was mud that I just put on myself, which is is actually pretty sick to do. I don't know why that's hurting me. That's weird. Those were blueberries. Those aren't poisonous. Like, I'm just doing it. I can't. I'll fucking heal myself with that paste I just made. Like, boom. Oh, I am healthy. Okay. So we're good there. That was crazy. Also, you can put feathers on your axe using tree sap and feathers. Okay, so that's... We're gonna try that right now. So we'll use this axe. Got some tree stuff. Okay. Combine. Remove. Use. Okay, so we got a feather on it. Interesting. This is pretty sick. Oh damn, this is interesting. Pretty baller as fuck. I probably should have put it on the other one, but it's still cool. Yeah, so I wonder how long this really takes to dry. That should be something I should look into as well. I just got a ton of sticks. I think we have 10 or so. Be a good start for... I don't want that lighter. God damn it. For a trap or something. We're gonna go put it over in this. Use teeth to upgrade the strength. Okay. See, we're learning things, people. This is a learning process here. Oh, maybe I can't combine it with that. Is it sap and teeth? Is that a thing? Yep. Okay. Remove. Very cool. Okay. So I'm actually going to write that down because I get a ton of sap. I have teeth, like that's not a problem for me. The feathers are kind of a problem. I don't want to waste those because I make bows out of it, but still, like, so sap / teeth on weapon, and we got sap / feathers on weapon. I'm gonna have to figure out how to make blueberries, but that's, or find blueberries better. But right now we're gonna do something cool. It's a little animal trap right here. I don't know where the traffic of animals are coming, but to think about it, like, I'm thinking, oh, it's a cool spot to put it because technically they would run through something like that. So still, I think I'm still covered in mud. I don't know how I got mud on me, but once I build this, folks, I'm gonna have to call it quits today. I have to go shower, sadly, because, you know, waking up, streaming, and then lady friend comes over. You need to shower before the lady friend comes over. That's a thing. So we're just gonna chop along the way. Maybe I'll stream later tonight after she goes. Stream tomorrow. We'll just see what happens. We'll just play it by ear. I can't believe this takes 20 or 30 something sticks to even make one of these. Like, I could make this out of a stick, a rope, and a pulley system kind of thing. Like, I don't know, one sapling. You only need one arrow because you can light it with your lighter, walk into the meat eater, and burn it to death. Okay. Interesting. But, like, if I want... Like, you saw me attack a deer with a spear, but, like, if I wanted to shoot him from, like, a distance kind of deal. That's always a factor into it, you know. Try not to cut down this big tree. Boop. We got... There we go. We got an animal trap. Maybe if something walks into it, I can trap it. Like, oh no, I walked into it. Oh no, I'll trap myself. Oh, there we go. We can eat some of that shit. Damn, that's fucking great. That didn't take too long. It was a little longer than obviously putting it on the fucking fire, but like I can deal with that. Like I can really get behind that and deal with that. Like. We're putting all my shit into this. Paint this up next time. It's pretty. It's gonna look baller as fuck. It's got teeth on it. Little Dwanky got the feathers. Who gives a fuck though, dude? Okay. I believe this is where I'm gonna go up into my alpine hut thingy-mabobber. We're gonna call it a day. Save it up with the sea. And I gotta go do stuff with my actual day. But I do appreciate all the follows, all the likes, all the support, the help. I really think Forest is something I'm going to start streaming a lot more. That, Red Orchestra, just things that people seem to enjoy and seem to comment on. So guys and gals, I do salute you. Thank you for watching and joining me today on our quest. But that's where we call it a wraps. My name's Sean Bod. Thank you for watching.